When was Prahlad Maharaj being attacked? What age? Was it Kali Yuga when Nam Sankirtan, Kali Kalera Dharma Krishna Nam Sankirtan? This is in Bhagavatam. This is the Dharma for this age. Was it Kali Yuga when Prahlad was attacked? Was it Dwapara when the Puja and Thakurji Puja? Was it Treta and all these yagyas? It was Satyuga. Satyuga is the age of dhyan, meditation. So because this is the very first demon of the universe was Hiranyakashipu's brother, Hiranyaksha. And then Varaha killed him. Keshavadrita Suhukara Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare. So then Hiranyakashipu came and harassed his son, Punit, his pious Prahlad Maharaj. So Prahlad Maharaj, he just meditated on Vishnu in his heart. He merged his Atma with the Paramatma. This is the goal of the yogis, the Paramatma yogis. This is what it means to be a Paramatma yogi. Yukta, Akila Atman, Yukta Atman. Like we say, what does they say? Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas, Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Eko Bahunam, Yo Vidadati Kaman. Eko Bahunam, Yo Vidadati Kaman. Eko Bahu. There's one of the many Atmas. Ananta Atma, unlimited jivas. There is one he is eternal, Nitya, and he's full of consciousness. Nityo Nityananam. I am eternal. I am Sat, and I am full of consciousness, awareness, Chit. Nityo Nityananam, Chaitanas Chaitananam. Eko Bahunam Yo Vidadati Kaman. That one, Paramatma, Bhagavan, he's been fulfilling the desires of everyone since time eternal. So Prahlad, this is the answer. No kavachas, no prayers, no Nrsimhadev. He was simply doing meditation, dhyan. Which means when the demons attacked Prahlad, he protected himself by meditating on Bhagavan Lord Vishnu within his heart. Prahlad Maharaj linked or connected, yukta, his Atma, self or soul, with the super soul Paramatma Bhagavan Lord Vishnu, who is in the heart of all living entities. Bhagavan Akila Atman. So, in other words, the only kavacha we need for protection is the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Because this is the age of chanting Hare Krishna. That was the age of meditation. So we just need this. Kaler dosha nadhe rajan asti eka mahagunan kirtanadeva krishnasya mukta sangha param brajet. In Akali, all dosh, everywhere dosh. Faults, problems, contamination, pollution, air pollution, chemical food pollution, mind pollution, sambandha pollution, family pollution, everywhere pollution. Dosh. Clear dosha nidhe. Nidhe means nidhi ocean, sagar, sindhu. Mahagun, there's one good quality. Dibyagun, transcendental quality. Krishna Kirtan, mukti ho jayega, mukti prapti. That's all. No need for dhyan, no need for puja, no need for archan, anything. Just a Kanda Kirtan. Mahaprabhu said, Nirantara Nam Lao. Nirantara Nam Lao. No end. Don't stop. Nam Lao. Take the name of Krishna and chant your head off. Chant till your head falls off. And then when your head falls off, you're dead. And you go to Krishna. Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajat yanti kalevaram tam tam evaiti konteya sadatad bhavata. And 8th chapter of Gita, verse 6. You're remembering Krishna when you die, you go to Krishna.